Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom and independence? It's time to start making money and taking control of your future. The truth is, making money is not easy. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take risks. But with the right mindset and approach, anyone can start building wealth and creating a better life for themselves. One key to making money is to find your passion and turn it into a business or career. When you're passionate about what you do, you're more likely to put in the effort and time needed to succeed. And when you're doing what you love, it doesn't feel like work. Another important aspect of making money is to be proactive and take advantage of opportunities. Opportunities are all around us, but it's up to us to recognize them and take action. Whether it's starting a side hustle, investing in stocks or real estate, or freelancing, there are countless ways to make money if you're willing to put in the effort. It's also essential to be disciplined and strategic with your money. This means creating a budget, setting financial goals, and sticking to them. It may be tempting to spend money on things you don't need, but by being disciplined and intentional with your spending, you can save more and invest in your future. In the end, making money is about taking control of your life and working toward a better future. It's not always easy, but with the right mindset, approach, and discipline, anyone can achieve financial success and live the life they've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and don't forget to share your opinion in the comment below.